All right, everybody, doors are open for our over the shoulder Amazon ads coaching. I'm really excited for this. This is for people that are uncomfortable or nervous to turn on ads. I'll be doing this with Taylor Hasselton, who worked on her Amazon ads account in a very slow way with $1 a day budget, and we're going to break down her campaigns in an over the shoulder ads training, and it's going to be really fun. So some of the things that you can expect, and first of all, my name is Jenny Hansen Lane. I have sold over 6 figures of books through Amazon ads. Okay, so I'm going to help you release the fear about Amazon ads in this very affordable over the shoulder training. And we're going to review these top 3 things: how to create your first Amazon ads campaign, what is the best type of ad to use for your books, and how to scale a low budget campaign. I started my 6 figure journey with a low budget campaign, and there's lots of different ways to do that. So we're opening the doors for this today, and you can get in with a coupon code if you type in, well, I'll show you that in a second. But I'm going to give you $10 off of this $37 if you're catching this here. Okay, so this is just a very basic over the shoulder about the power of Amazon ads and when and why you would want to use them. And I love Amazon ads because it's like having a billboard for your books. So this is the sales page that you can go and take a look and see if you want to join us. If you buy a ticket to this class, you will always have lifetime access to the replay, even if you can't show up to the live. But if you can show up to the live, you will be coached if you have any questions about ads. So it's going to be a really great opportunity. So we hope that you can join us at the Over the Shoulder Amazon Ads Coaching. This is specifically for people that are publishing low content books and they want to increase their sales. Okay, so when you go to sign up, you essentially will put in, for the next 3 days, you can put in the code Taylor10 to save $10. So let me know what questions you might have about turning on those first ads. And I've never done a training like this before, over your shoulder, where I'm coaching Taylor through this process. And she's already had the bravery to dive into Amazon ads. And now she's looking to optimize and scale without breaking the bank. And it's going to be a really fun coaching call. It's kind of like something that I would do with my one-to-one clients that hire me to go through their ads account. But we're actually inviting all of you guys to join us. So I hope that you can make it and secure your seat before the pricing goes up on the 10th. This will be July 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern. So we hope you can join us. Love you. Peace out.